Wow, this is my orange canary. It's very nice. Do another one. The yellow one.
This is been sitting on the egg. We got another one right here. You got two babies.
Wow, look for my baby.
Got some more sitting on the eggs right there. We got some more here this year. Breeding time. I got, this is kind of mixed pair. Canary mix it with the European golden finch. I got a pair of feral canaries. This is all breeding areas. This is another feral canary sitting on the egg. I got those babies for this year, and also I have some new babies this year.
The white one, this one.
And I got this one making him ready to sing. White throw. And this is fly section.